festival or feast. The festival is not only about having feasts but also giving gifts.
These gifts in the form of money, books or toys are called Eid.
May Allah bless you with all the love and happiness that your heart can hold.
Have a blessed Eid.
Eid Mubarak.
A bunch of beautiful, warm wishes to all.
May Allah bring you lots of joy, happiness and good health. Wishing you a happy Eid. Eid Mubarak.
يا من أتيت فزدت حبنا أسعدتنا وجمعت شملنا أنت هدية من الله لنا بعد انتظارنا لك طول السنة فيك السرور وجمعت شملنا أنت هدية من الله لنا بعد انتظارنا لك طول السنة فيك السرور والهنا حمدا لك يا ربنا عيد سعيد. Let's enjoy this happy day. عيد مبارك. Come on, let's celebrate. عيد سعيد. Let's enjoy this happy day. عيد مبارك. Come on, let's celebrate. Celebrate. Let's celebrate. Allah, Allah. Thank you for this day.
Smiles and greetings everywhere. Eid Mubarak to everyone out there. Whole families together and celebrate. Today's the day, so come on, no time to waste. Sometimes the world takes us so far, though miles apart. Today you're in my heart.
Eid Saeed, let's enjoy this happy day. Eid Mubarak, come on, let's celebrate. Eid Saeed, let's enjoy this happy day. Eid Mubarak, come on, let's celebrate. Celebrate, let's celebrate. Allah, Allah, thank you for this day.
Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak.